Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a school lock on an iPad. First, understand that these locks are often put in place by schools using mobile device management, or MDM, profiles. These profiles are designed to manage devices, ensuring they are used for educational purposes and keeping students safe. It's crucial to acknowledge that removing these without proper authorization can be difficult, sometimes impossible, for an individual user. We will explore the legitimate pathways. To start, open the Settings app on your iPad. From the main menu, scroll down and select General. Within the General settings, you should then find and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, you will see a list of any installed profiles. Your school's management profile will be displayed there. Often, for institution-managed devices, you will not find an option to simply remove the profile yourself from the screen. The most legitimate way to remove an iPad school lock is by directly contacting your school's IT administrator or support department. They have the administrative access required to unenroll your device from their management system. Clearly explain your circumstances. For example, if you have graduated, left the school, or purchased the device secondhand. Unauthorized attempts to bypass these security measures could lead to policy violations or even potentially brick your device, making it unusable. Before considering any major steps, always create a complete backup of your iPad's data to iCloud or your computer. If the school officially removes the management profile, a factory reset might then be an option to fully clear the device. However, do not proceed with a factory reset without their explicit guidance or confirmation. Using unverified third-party software to bypass MDM locks is strongly discouraged, as it can introduce security risks or permanently damage your iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.